In this video, we are going to see how we can hide the muted channels on Discord on PC version. So here's what you have to do. Now there is a difference between the server and the channels. The server is the main area, whatever server you have joined. And in here, you have different channels like you can see here. Some of them are muted like this ones. If we right click, we want to unmute this channel. As you can see, it turns dark gray and this is light gray. That means this is muted. So we want to unmute that. So all of them are unmuted. Now, whenever we right click and mute this channel, let's say I want to right click, mute this until I turn it back on. I just mute it, but it doesn't hide it from here. What we want to do is we want to hide that as well. So from the main server settings, just right click here, click on hide muted channels. And now you will see whatever you hide as a channel, mute this channel, you will see that it will disappear. So let's say announcements, I want to mute this until I turn this back on, and now it is gone from here. It is completely hidden and you will not find it anywhere else. Now, how will we get this back? That's also very simple. Just right click on the main server and click on unhide this channel. And even now, if it is muted, it will still show in here in the channel list. And that's all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.